Psychological marketing is a powerful tool that leverages human behavior and cognition to influence consumer decisions and perceptions. By understanding psychological principles such as perception, motivation, and emotion, marketers can create compelling and effective strategies to connect with their target audience on a deeper level. Apple's iPhone marketing success can be attributed to its focus on sleek design, user-friendly interfaces, and a strong brand image. The company has effectively leveraged product launches, innovative features, and strategic partnerships to create hype and maintain a loyal customer base. Apple taps into emotional appeals by using storytelling and evoking a sense of belonging, status, and aspiration in their marketing language. They focus on creating a meaningful connection with their audience by emphasizing the human experience and the emotional impact of their products. The use of scarcity and exclusivity in iPhone marketing creates a sense of urgency and desirability among consumers. By limiting the availability of certain models or introducing exclusive features, Apple leverages the psychological principle of scarcity to drive demand and increase the perceived value of their products. Apple's design and user experience are rooted in the principles of minimalism, functionality, and emotional connection. Their sleek and intuitive design elements aim to create a seamless and satisfying user experience, tapping into the psychology of visual appeal and user interaction. Social proof plays a crucial role in Apple's iPhone marketing strategy, leveraging the influence of customer testimonials, user reviews, and celebrity endorsements to build trust and credibility. By showcasing how others have embraced and enjoyed the iPhone experience, Apple creates a powerful sense of validation and desirability, prompting potential customers to join the community of satisfied users. Apple creates a strong sense of identity and self-expression through its iPhone branding by promoting sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and user-friendly interface. The brand's emphasis on exclusivity and premium quality fosters a feeling of sophistication and individuality among customers, making owning an iPhone a statement of personal style and status. Psychology has played a significant role in shaping Apple's iPhone marketing strategies, influencing consumer behavior through emotional appeal, product design, and user experience. By leveraging principles of visual perception, color psychology, and user interface design, Apple has successfully created a powerful brand image and fostered loyalty among its customer base.